talking about the event today. It's a pleasure to be in such an event in which we have seen the participation of ladies as well as the young generation, the children, and in a remarkable way, I think Quaid-e-Azam would be very proud of you, would be very proud of the organizers of this event, because we should not forget that Quaid-e-Azam was a person who always was mentoring young people. He was training them, he was bringing them into the forefront, and he knew and projected them as the future of the country and the future of the nation. He also had a lady as his companion and his closest advisor for more than 30 years of his life, Miss Fatima Jinnah. And Miss Fatima Jinnah organized the Muslim women in the freedom struggle, and this through these efforts, she projected the ladies of our society as an important segment of our society. And I think this is a lesson which we should never forget from Quaid-e-Azam's life. There are two more lessons which I would like to highlight before I leave you for your thoughts. One is the value of education which Quaid-e-Azam, which was there in Quaid-e-Azam's life. He belonged to a middle class, lower middle class family, merchant family. While he came to Britain at the age of less than 18, he struggled very hard, and he learned the language, he learned law, he got the degree from a very prestigious institution. And during this time, his family was under a lot of financial difficulties. He was alone, he did not have much support, but he completed his education. And that is something which I think is a lesson for all Pakistanis, whether they are in Britain or in Pakistan, that education is the greatest asset which you can give to your younger generation. The second thing which has always struck me in Quaid-e-Azam's life is the self-discipline and determination which he showed. There was a period in his life when he was a young lawyer for 3 years. He had an office where he used to go every morning, stayed there till afternoon, and he did not have a single client, but he did not give up. He stood fast and he proved his worth through his sheer determination, through his hard work. This is a lesson which we should never forget. Whatever difficulties there are, I think the first generation of British Pakistanis, they faced a lot of difficulties. They have come a long way. They have proven their worth. They have become a very important segment of this society. They have become a very important voice in Pakistan. And in both societies, they have played a role of a bridge between Britain and Pakistan. They have played a role of a positive force. And I think the next generation, they will have issues of their own, they will have problems of their own. But the lesson which we can learn from Quaid-e-Azam's life is that you should remain true to your principles and continue hard work, and with determination, you will definitely succeed. I once again thank you very much for your kind welcome. और मुझे दावत देने का बहुत शुक्रिया.